Hello, welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about RAG. Okay, so that's a retrieval augmented generation. Now, this is primarily the one aspect of applied AI where you can actually give the LLM a knowledge base and ground it. Its responses and its understanding around the documents that you're ingesting, that you're feeding to them to the system. Now, this system I have developed long ago, but just today I actually got around to it to do a video. Um, so actually, if you see, this is the RAGTide AI, just a logo for a synthetic one, obviously, because this is my lab experiment, so it is not any commercial document or anything. So for the commercial usage, obviously, you can add many bells and whistles to it to make it commercially viable. But just for the experiment's sake, I will show you something like so. This is the UI of, and this is hosted as well. This is the UI of the document intelligence platform. And if you see over here, we got document processing, AI analysis, and interactive chat. So these are the features. So I'll just show you the quick one actually. So when you click on get started, you can go ahead and you can just see if you were here. So the one best part is that it also persists. So within the login or within the session, if you upload any document, and even if you happen to just move to home or if you get back, it will still show you the interaction that you had with the document that you uploaded earlier. Right. So, well, you can drag and drop, or you can upload, click on this upload button, and these are the supported formats, data that you can ingest of PDF type or Microsoft Word, PPT, image, video. You can add Excel and other formats as well as your use case may need it. So let me just click on it, and if I go over here, let me open up. My maybe my CV just to interact. So the use case could be many use cases out of this in different various domains. But for this, just uploaded my PDF. That's my resume, and if you see, it's in a lightning fast speed. My system has processed the resume, the PDF document, and now it's saying, "What would you like to know about it?" So let me just say. Uh, I would just say that this guy has good exposure to AI and AI. That would be the first part of the question. And second would be uh, give us every tenses every tenses from the evidence evidence from the for the same from the uploaded document. Now, when you say this, see the beauty of it, the system is built in such a way that if you write something incorrect, it's going to flag that to you and you just go ahead and click. Let's do this. So let me fire this query, this prompt on this knowledge base, the Excel. So for this demonstration, I'm just showing you the PDF which has been ingested on the runtime, uh, for the Q&A. But traditionally, also, the solutions that you see, they actually ingest a huge amount of data. Could be PDF, Excel, or doc, or image, or video, or any other supported type that you can, decipher through your code. And those are like you have sort of a boundaries around them. Like let's say if you have ingested 10 GB amount of data, so that's very static way. This one is pretty dynamic. Like you can select the PDF or any document or image or video that you're interested in, and straight away it's ready for you to do the Q&A on it. So for an example, it is just given the example based on the information provided in the uploaded document. Sachin Namburi has substantial exposure to artificial intelligence. Here are some pieces of evidence of his experience. So just talking about experiences, whatever it has got out of that. Now, obviously, we can fine tune it to just give us just in a very very let's say 3 4 lines or uh, we can cap it and then just say show more, show less, that kind of stuff. So if you're not interested in looking at through all of these, that has um that's so for an example, if you're saying here the background suggests his educational background suggests that he has been actively involved in AI related projects and initiative. His focus on strategic AI and technology leadership, research-oriented innovation, and global digital transformation further supports his exposure to AI in conclusion. So it's giving me conclusion as well. Sachin Namburi indeed has a good exposure to AI based on the evidence from the uploaded document, which includes certification, skills, educations, and potential professional experience in AI-related domains. So it is giving me a holistic 360-degree approach to give the answer, or not just the knowledge base, just which is validating based on the certifications I've acquired so far, and the skills, the education, and the professional experience that I have in this space. So it has given me that, and I can obviously for sure I know what I've done so far. So it has actually given me a gist of everything that is supporting the claim that the answer that it is giving me out. So this is great, and all you got to do, let's say if you want to ask further question, you can go ahead, and let's say if you want to upload a new document, then you can go ahead and same process. You can select any one DOC, XPPT, and all that. For this video's sake, to keep it brief, just was showing the functionality, the interaction with the PDF, but obviously, as I said, anything that you can support via your code base, then obviously you can do that. Yeah, so there is a lot that goes behind it, from the ingestion part to text splitting to chunking and so on and so forth. But this one is a nice looking UI that I came up with. Um, so obviously, when you're comparing this with the commercial viable product, as of now, it's just a lab. It's a lab rat, and once obviously, when we are thinking of uh, any commercial, making it commercial, then obviously we'll have to add many bells and whistles to it so that it is like, for an example, the user profile, the storage of data, and authentication, so on and so forth. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the document intelligence platform, um, AI powered, and the name, as you saw, Ragtide AI. So that's all I have for you on this video. And we'll meet in the next one. Until then, take good care of yourself. Thank you.